YouTubers, welcome to AnneBetty's kitchen. So on today's menu is best ever pie dough recipe. So back home in Ghana, when someone comes to visit, normally we give you water to drink, and if you stay longer then you get some pastries, and this includes pie, chin chin. I'll be bringing you all those lovely recipes, but today we are going to learn about the pie dough recipe. And if you've read about what this channel is about, it's about infusion of cultures, and what I've infused in my pie dough is turmeric, which is an Asian spice, but I discovered that once you add the turmeric, it gives the pie dough this rich yellow color, and it also gives it some softness. So come on this journey, let's bake. So I've got flour. I use self-raising flour. You can use plain flour. When you use plain flour, you have to add baking powder to it, but this is self-raising. And I've got nutmeg here, so in goes our nutmeg, mixed spice, turmeric, so 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. This gives it a rich color and it gives the dough some softness. It makes it really nice. I've got mixed herbs and some salt and a little bit of sugar. So we mix all our dry ingredients together and add our butter to it. So the thing about pie is the ratio of flour to butter is 1:2. So I've got 300 grams of flour, and so the butter is 150 grams. So you have to mix them and make sure you incorporate air. When you incorporate the air in it, it makes your dough really nice and flaky. So we mix out 2 hands and we make sure we are incorporating air into it. Once you mix the flour and the butter, that's how it looks. The crumb should look crumbly like that, and it's almost forming. So all I need is my egg. For 1 egg, and 50 grams of water. So the thing about pie dough is the temperature of the dough should be colder than the ambient temperature. So once your pie dough is the same as the ambient temperature, you don't have a good dough. But your pie dough done. So what I do is I store it in freezer bags, and I just try to flatten it out. So when I take it out and you put it in the fridge, you put it down to lie, but it's best to put it in the fridge. It's best for it to lie down for rest for about an hour, but it's much better if you do it overnight. So there you have it. Your pie dough goes in your fridge like that, and when you take it out, it's so easy to roll out. Thank you for watching. So for more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you know firsthand when any new video is uploaded, and share with your friends. Try it, leave me comments, show some love. Let's